everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So till now we did lots of things like how you will create your fish tank project, how you will draw these circles or any shape. After that we did dino jump project. So this is our next project, like how you will create your maze game. Okay, first, I will show you this project. See, once you will click on the run button, you will get your ball. Okay. Now, once you will click on the down arrow, you are able to move to the downside. If you want, you can just click on your left arrow, up arrow, then again right arrow. Okay. Up arrow, again right, and now down arrow. Okay. See, it will show you win. Okay, so now let's start this project. Okay, so first thing, I will take a new project. I will show you, okay, how you will create this game. Okay, so now first I will take one new project. So you need to just click on the file and select the new. You will get one new project here. So first we will delete the cat. Now, first thing, you have to add your maze structure. Okay, how you will add that? Now we will not select any backdrop. We will click on the paint option and we have to draw our maze. Whatever shape you want for your maze, you can draw here. Okay, how you will draw that? First, whatever color you want, according to your choice, you can select the color. I'm selecting the red color. Okay, now you need to just take this square and draw like this by using your left arrow. Suppose I want one maze here. After that, I want the second one near about here. The third one is like this. Okay, the second one now. This is my third one. Okay, I want the fourth one here. Fifth one here. Okay, so this is our maze. Now we have to add a sprite. How you will add a sprite? Choose a sprite, whatever sprite you want. Suppose you want this apple or anything, we can add. I want to add this ball and I want the ball position like here. So you have to add one more sprite, which is your winning line. So either you can add from here or else you can just create that. Suppose I want my win line as this bill. So you need to put your bill here. Suppose I want this is my bill line. Okay. So we have one backdrop and two sprites. So how you will start your coding part? This is the most important thing. So first we will start from the ball. And what is our project algorithm? We have to take left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. Okay. So how you will add that? So first thing, we will add events. So where you will get your event? In the event section. So instead of space, first I will take up arrow. Again, I will take one more, which is my down arrow. I will take one more, which is my left arrow. Okay. I will take one more sprite, one more event, which is my up, down, left, right. Okay, so these four events we have here: up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So once I will click on up arrow, we want to move to the upside. How you will do that? You have to take one direction. Okay, where you will get that? In the motion, you will get point in direction. just add. But how you will decide what thing you want here? So just click on this 90. See, what is this direction? This is the right, but we want to move to the up. So we will take, see, this is the up direction. So in the up, you will get 0. Again, we will take one more point in direction in the down arrow. So for down, how you will decide? You need to take this arrow here. So this is your down. Down means 180. Same we will take one more, which is point in direction. Instead of 90, now we have to move to the left side. So where is your left? This one. So you will get minus 90. In this way, you can find out where is your left, where is your right, where is your up, where is your down. So for here, we need to take first right. And now, how you will decide the right? So this is your right, okay? So see, up we have till now, we have a up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, okay? After that, we have to move. Once I will click on the up arrow, I have to move. Once I will click on the down arrow, I have to move. So you need to just take your move 10 steps in all 4 blocks. So this is our first step in a maze game. Like we have to first attach all the arrows. Now if I will click on the flag or when I click on the down arrow, see my ball is moving towards the down. If I will click on the right arrow, you will get right direction. If you will press up arrow, you will get up direction. If you will click on left arrow, you will get left direction. But once this ball will touch to this color, like so here we want like a move to minus, like this ball not able to touch here, okay? So how we will configure that thing? That is the most important part. Even we can reduce the point also, even we can reduce the movement part also, okay? So now we will see how you will add that one because that is the most important part, okay? So how we will start that? You need to take again one event when flag is clicked, okay? So when flag is clicked, what we want when ball touch to this color, okay? So what will happen? So we will take that because we want that continuously, not one time. So we will add this forever. Now we will just apply some conditions where you will get your conditions. Again in the control, we have this. See, if this ball will touch to this color, right? So this is our conditions. So we will just go to this sensing. We will take this color option. But how you will decide what is this color? Click on this color option, take this paint and now take this one. So here you will get a same color. If that will touch to color, what will happen? We have to move. Instead of 10, we will make it as a minus 10. Means now this ball will not able to touch this red color. See, I will show you now. See, I am pressing my left arrow. See for down also, just because it is here we took minus 10. Okay. After that, the ball part is completed. Means we added 4 things. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay. Now we will see the next part. When this ball will touch to this bell, so what will happen? It will say like a you win. Okay. So now where you want to do the coding in the bell. So first click on the bell. Now we will apply again some condition. If this ball will touch to this bell, so what will happen? It will just say you win. So this is our logic part. Okay. How we will add that? You need to just go to this control event. We will add when flag is clicked. Okay. So in the forever, we want not in one time. So again, we will take that forever means continuously. we will check condition. If ball will touch to the bell, okay? So where you will get that? Again in the sensing. So instead of mouse pointer, now we will take ball. Means if bell will touch to your ball, it will say you win. So instead of hello, we will make it as you win. Okay, now this is the time to test your project. So again, the most important part, if you want, like when you will click on the flag, you want your ball always here. So you need to just take one go to X and Y. Okay, so take this. Means this is your fixed position always. So what is the X value? -208. What is the Y value? This is 154. Now if I will take my ball here, what will happen if I will click on the run? Again, you will get your ball here. Okay. So now we will test this project. Now you can enjoy your game. Just press the right arrow. If you want, you can press the down arrow. Again, press the up arrow. See? Now the ball will touch to the bell. What will happen? It will say you fail. Okay. So in this way, we can create a maze game. So maze structure is up to you. Okay. It means you can create complicated maze also. You can create a simple maze also. But logic is the same. You need to put the same logic. Okay. So always see, we want 4 arrows, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow. How you will decide this point? You need to just click on this. So automatically you will get, see, this is your up direction. This is your down direction. This is the left one. And this one is the right. Okay. And what is the second logic? If ball will touch to this color, it will say, it will not say anything. Suppose if you want to add a say block, you will get. Instead of say, we can write touched like this. Now see, if I will run, see, you will get. Okay. So like that, we can add our logics. In the bell also, if ball will touch to this bell, it will say you fail. Okay. So in this way, we can create the maze game. So thank you so much for this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. If you want the more projects, in the comment section also, you can mention that project and I will explain you. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day.